Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is February 4th, Wednesday, 8 p.m. Just a quick recap and rest of week outlook. Starting off with today, after a pretty big range day, which we did catch a pretty big part of this. If you didn't watch the video, it's up. Feel free to watch it. But after a pretty big range day, we had another decently ranged day, swept the low, and then started moving higher. Um, Personally, I was looking to long kind of the same situation, break of consolidation, manipulation, and then back into the range. I never took this long just because the criteria on the 15 minute wasn't met, which I will show you. But I just had this position right here ready in case it did hit or it did meet the criteria. But yeah, you can see it ended up trading below a nice amount. Um, And then, I mean, looking at the 15 minute, this is where I wanted to look to short or to long after we swept this flow within, this 1 hour FVG. I was looking for potential longs, and after sweeping this low and this change in state of delivery, I was going to long here, but then I was like, it's 9:15, let's wait and see what 9:30 does. So I waited to see what 9:30 does. 9:30 did that. So I waited again, 9:45 did that, and then I said if we break above this as a change in state of delivery, I would look for longs, but we never got that, so I never took that long. So I didn't take any trades, which worked out in my favor. Um, Looking for tomorrow, I kind of do want to long again. I mean, we swept this low, failing to go lower, also this low, and consolidation, manipulation, and then we move back into the range potentially. If we do short, we do move lower. I'm not going to complain. But yeah, my main idea is looking for long, especially because of this wick right here. Looking at the dollar, dollar was on the other side bullish, decently bullish. I mean, it still was kind of consolidated. Right here, you can see we're still in this range right here. So I mean, this could be a new range to watch out for. Look for a break of this, and then a move in one direction. Now, um, I'm expecting maybe bearishness from here instead of this FVG failing to go higher here, failing to go higher here, failing to go higher here. So we failed 3 times. Maybe we move lower now. I guess we'll have to see what happens. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't I wouldn't be surprised if we move lower from here. Um, and then looking at ZB, um, same idea as NQ. It was also bearish, but it was more consolidated. I mean, it took out this high right here, which was previous day high PM. Took out the high and then moved lower, but it was still in this consolidated range, and overall still in this consolidation. Now this could be pretty good for longs as we have a swing low. Now we want to see if we can attack the high that put in that swing low, or that formed that swing low. So we'll be watching out for that, which also aligns with that bearish dollar and bullish NQ. Um, I'd just be very careful tomorrow. I know we're getting close to NFP, so tomorrow might be a pretty choppy day. Um, so yeah, just be very careful uh, and be safe. Hope you found this somewhat insightful. Take care.